Super Collector Clark.
Hey you guys, it's Clark from Super Collector Clark. In this video, I am going to do another sound demo on my 5.0 Dali Home Theater Setup. Please kindly note that the clips are kept short for copyright reasons. The audio is recorded on the Zoom H2N. Enjoy.
Get away. I'm Dr. Stephen Strange. I need you to come with me. Oh, congratulations on the wedding, by the way.
I'm sorry, you giving out tickets or something?
We need your help. Look, it's not overselling it to say that the fate of the universe is at stake.
And who's we?
Hey, Tom.
Bruce.
Does this chattering animal speak for you?
Certainly not. I speak for myself. You're trespassing in this city and on this planet.
It means get lost, Squidward.
He exhausts me. Bring me the stone.
Man, you want a piece?
No, not really, but when do I ever get what I want?
Where'd that come from?
It's nanotech. You like it?
A little something. Dr. Manor, if the rest of your green friend won't be joining us.
What's a twig? Everybody's seen a twig.
Hey, Groot!
Sure, you pour what's in the cup out into space and go in the cup together.
You speak Groot?
Yes, they told it on Asgard. It was an elective.
I am Groot.
You'll know when we're close. Nevertheless, forge harnesses the blade.
Let me just say, if aliens wind up implanting eggs in my chest or something and I eat one of you, I'm sorry.
I do not want another single pop culture reference out of you for the rest of the trip, you understand?
I'm trying to say that something is coming.
What master do you serve? What master do I serve? What am I supposed to say, Jesus?
You're from Earth.
I'm not from Earth, I'm from Missouri.
Yeah, that's on Earth, dipshit. What are you hassling us for?
So you're not with Thanos?
With Thanos? No. I'm here to kill Thanos. He took my girl. Wait, who are you?
Are you okay? What is it?
He's here.
Everyone on my position. We have incoming.
What the hell?
ever do.
Where'd he go?
Up, Jira. Up. This is no place to die.
Sam! Sam, where you at? Did you start?
I don't feel so good.
You're all right.
I don't know what's happening. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Sir, please. Please, I don't want to go.
What is it?
Multiple bogeys over Wakanda.
Same energy signature as New York.
10 times bigger.
Tell Klein, we'll meet him at... Oh no. Mother.